In today's lesson, we will discuss the verbs am, is, and are. These are the simple present forms of the auxiliary verb, to be.
They are used as descriptive verbs that help us in understanding the state, condition, and feeling that something or particularly a proper noun is in. Is, am, connect the subject to their actions or what is being described them.
Am, are, and is are supporting verbs in the simple present tense. They are also collectively referred to as be forms, as they are the forms of the verb to be.
They are used to describe a person or a thing in the present.
They can be used to name a person or a thing in the present.
They can indicate what someone is doing at present. They are also used to talk about what is done in the present. Am is used with first-person singular pronoun. It is used with the pronoun I.
I am the owner of this building. I am building a spaceship. I am speaking to him. I am an agriculturist. I am a hard-working student.
Is used with third-person singular nouns and pronouns. It is used with the pronouns he, she, and it.
He is smart. The Taj Mahal is beautiful. She is talented. Sheila is singing. Sushil is playing. It is a non-living thing.
Are is used with third-person plural nouns and pronouns. It is used with the pronoun they.
Late. The Indians are fond of their culture. They are playing. People are celebrating. The animals are enjoying the rain. The birds are freely flying.
These are statements usually proving a description.
I am a singer. I am smart. I am dedicated. I am Maria. She is a cricketer. He is a dancer. He is running. She is playing. It is moving. They are musicians. People are applauding. Singers are singing. They are dancing. The dogs are barking.
These are negative statements with the inclusion of an negative suffix.
I am not a singer. I am not smart. I am not dedicated. I am not Maria. She isn't a cricketer. He isn't a dancer. He isn't running. She isn't playing. It isn't moving. They aren't musicians. People aren't applauding. Singers aren't singing. They aren't dancing. The dogs aren't barking.
These are questions pointing to a person or a group of people.
Am I a singer? Am I smart? Am I dedicated? Am I Maria? Is she a cricketer? Is he a dancer? Is he running? Is she playing? Is it moving? Are they musicians? Are people applauding? Are singers singing? Are they dancing? Are the dogs barking? The simple present forms of the verb to be are is, am, and are. They are employed to specify the nature of a thing or a person's state, emotion, or condition. I am, the first-person singular, he, she, or it, is the third-person singular, and we are the first-person plural, you are, the second and third-person singular, and they are, is the third-person plural. The past tense is expressed with the verbs was, that is the past form of is, and were, the past form of are.
Like and subscribe.